As an aspiring 3D printing entrepreneur, sourcing and managing your supplies is a critical component to ensuring the success and profitability of your business. In this video, we'll dive deep into the strategies and best practices to help you streamline your supply chain and keep your operation running smoothly. Effective supply chain management is the backbone of any thriving 3D printing venture. From filaments and print beds to specialty materials and post-processing tools, having a reliable and cost-effective supply network is key to maintaining consistent output and meeting customer demands. In this module, we'll cover everything you need to know about sourcing the right supplies, negotiating favorable terms with vendors, and implementing inventory control systems to keep your business running like a well-oiled machine. Sourcing 3D printing supplies. The first step in supply management is identifying reputable and trustworthy suppliers for all your 3D printing needs. This goes beyond just filament. You'll also need to source print beds, nozzles, cleaning materials, and any specialty media like resins or metal powders. Research vendor reputations, compare prices and shipping costs, and establish clear communication channels. Building long-term relationships with your suppliers will allow you to negotiate better terms and ensure a steady flow of critical components. Inventory management strategies. Once you've vetted your suppliers, you'll need to develop a system for tracking inventory levels, reorder points, and fulfillment times. This could involve digital inventory management software, physical stock logs, or a hybrid approach. Forecasting demand, optimizing storage solutions, and minimizing waste are all essential to running an efficient 3D printing operation. We'll cover tips and best practices for keeping your supplies organized and your production on schedule. Dealing with supply chain disruptions. No matter how well you plan, unexpected challenges will inevitably arise in your supply chain. Whether it's a manufacturer shutting down, shipping delays, or material shortages, you need to have contingency plans in place. We'll discuss strategies for identifying risks, diversifying your supplier network, and maintaining business continuity when the unexpected happens. Mastering supply chain management is a critical skill for any successful 3D printing entrepreneur. By implementing the strategies we've covered in this video, you'll be well on your way to building a resilient, profitable business. Be sure to tune in for our next module, where we'll dive into pricing your 3D printed products for maximum profitability. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get notified of all the latest videos in this free 3D printing business course. I'll see you in the next one.